Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7972. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Wow, this one has 18 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row. It's let me give this some lights. Okay, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Yeah, now. Oh, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Wow. This one is also quick to solve without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I will do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.